day 2 of the Fly Lady baby steps thing, and today's challenge is all about getting dressed to shoes, which is kind of what I'm doing, because especially if you work from home and all that jazz, you can get into a bit of a rut sometimes when it comes to, you know, just like dressing up, getting your hair done. Today's a wash day, so I washed my hair and I'm gonna style it soon. And I'm using Cantu, which I don't like. It makes my hair really, really oily, even though it moisturizes it and all that jazz, but my hair just ends up really, really oily. I'm not going anywhere. I'm like working from home, so this is just like a basic thing that I'm doing, not properly at all or whatever. Will there even be a difference? I don't know. Side bezel's weird. I think it needs sharpening. But anyway, that's done. What else does one put on your face? I need a new palette. I want a new palette because the one I have has very limited colors and it's all very kind of glittery. So I want to get like a different palette with some colors that I can play with, like some greens or mostly greens. I don't wear any other colors. I don't wear any other colors normally. And that's about it. So Fly Lady is a challenge I'm doing because it's part of the whole year of being consistent with stuff. And one of the things that I have neglected is just kind of household stuff, household chores and things. And I remember like there was a time when I did the Fly Lady baby steps a couple of years ago, a long time ago, and it made everything kind of seamless. Like I was able to get things done at home, just like basic household things, done with like laundry and keeping the like decluttering and things like that, washing the windows and making sure all of that kind of household things got sorted. And it was nice because I felt good about myself. The Fly is for finally loving yourself, and it's a routine that focuses on self-love as well as taking care of your home. So I would say ta-da, but this doesn't really look like anything, and I'm sweating. Why on earth would I need blush if I'm not going anywhere? This is way too pink. That is way, way, way too. That is way too. Don't come for me. I don't know what I'm doing. I look like a pterodactyl. If you know, you know. church finds out, if the men find out we can shapeshift, they are going to tell the church. See, all of this, it takes too much effort. Oh my goodness, and I should wash those brushes. It just takes too much time and effort, and I'm like, why? Why am I doing this? Why? Why even bother? I haven't even had coffee yet. So this is how we're starting with the hair. It is, I washed it while it was twisted, and now I have to untwist it. I don't know if that was a good idea or a bad idea. It might have been a horrible mistake, but it's fine, because done is better than perfect, and it's my hair, my routine. I can do whatever I want. For the most part, like, procrastination is a thing that I struggle with. Like, just executive function is a thing that I struggle with. And sometimes something simple like washing my hair is a massive, massive task. It's a massive ordeal. And if I can make it less taxing and less stressful by washing my hair while it's still in its twists, then sure, I'm gonna do that, because that makes my life easier. And once it's washed, then obviously it looks horrible, and now I have to do the things. So I conditioned with Aunt Jackie's Fix My Hair conditioner, and now I'm going to use the Kantu Shea Butter coconut curling cream. I hate this. It makes my hair so oily. It makes my hair feel so oily. It feels moisturized, but hella oily, and I don't like that feeling of oiliness in my hair, because then it just gets like, I want to scratch it, and yeah, I just don't like it, the way it feels. And the one product that I found that really works it for me is on Jackie's range. Oh, that's all tangled up now. I can't remember why I ordered that instead of just, oh, because it was gonna arrive faster. I remember now. Sometimes a little patience is worth it, because then you're not stuck using a product that you don't like. I will say their gel is amazing though. The Cantu Jamaican oil hair gel. That's like some of the best gel that I've ever like found for my hair. And I know, like, with twists you're supposed to undo them. I don't. I just wear the twists until it's time to wash my hair. Oh my goodness. Typically I section up my hair. I just like section it out and start with one side and then the other. Put one thing on, which in this case is the curling cream. And that's kind of it. Why did I put my makeup on before I did all of this? Because my face is gonna get all sweaty, and then that's not gonna be nice. So that's what I look like. That's what it looks like. Final picture. What do you think? Should I wear it up? That looks cool. Always look cooler like that. But no, that's fine. I'll wear it out like this and then see what happens. I just have to shine my thing tonight. But that's it. Like, first item in my morning routine. First item in my evening routine. And I might use this brush a bit more because I just hate the fact that I have to brush so many times to get like a nice curl. But I'll see what it looks like when it dries. And then decide from there. Yeah, so that's kind of it. Hope you're having a good day. Follow for more productivity stuff, work from home stuff, how to just do the mundane things consistently, because, you know, can all use a little support with consistency. See ya.